In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block YouTube ads in DuckDuckGo browser. Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through a simple way to reduce or block YouTube advertisements while using the DuckDuckGo browser, helping you enjoy a cleaner and less distracting viewing experience while maintaining privacy-focused browsing. To begin, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your device and wait for it to fully load until you reach the main start page. Once the browser is open, locate the menu icon, usually represented by three dots, and tap on it to access the Settings section. Inside Settings, scroll down and find the Ad Blocking section. This is where DuckDuckGo allows you to control different types of advertisement protection features. Continue scrolling until you find the YouTube option. There will be a checkbox labeled Block Ads on YouTube. Simply enable or check that option to activate YouTube ad blocking within the browser. Once enabled, the browser will automatically reduce interruptions while watching videos, creating a smoother viewing experience without manual adjustments each time. This setting works in the background, so you don't need to repeat the process. It simply applies the filter whenever YouTube content is loaded through the browser. One important tip is that ad blocking effectiveness can vary depending on updates and regional settings, so if you still notice ads, make sure the YouTube filtering option is properly enabled inside the same section. This feature is designed to work automatically, so once it is turned on, it continues filtering ads in the background without any additional action required. It is also worth noting that this setting is part of DuckDuckGo's built-in privacy tools, which aim to reduce tracking and improve browsing speed by limiting unnecessary content loading. After applying this setting, you can continue browsing YouTube normally within the DuckDuckGo browser and enjoy a more streamlined experience with fewer interruptions. The changes take effect immediately, so there is no need to restart the browser or adjust any additional configurations. Finally, if you ever feel that ads are still appearing, simply revisit the same ad blocking section and confirm that the YouTube option remains enabled. Because browser features like this rely on built-in filters, they may occasionally need to be rechecked after updates, but the process remains the same and only takes a few seconds. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.